2018, Revolt secured a specialized banking license from the European Central Bank. Revolt is a Bitstamp partner, which is a liquidity provider for Xrapid corridors. Revolt is a Bitstamp partner, which provides liquidity for all Xrapid partners. So basically, guys, I did a hell of a deep dive on the Visa, Revolt, European Central Bank backs XRP. You guys don't want to miss this video. I did a hell of a deep dive here, pretty much showing you guys that Xrapid, XRP will be the global digital currency. And I will show you guys in this video. Okay, so first I'd like to give a shout out to Bank XRP. Bank XRP is where the rabbit hole started. After a week of launch, Visa partners with Revolt app to help challenger bank expand into new markets. So Visa powers Revolt's expansion into 24 new markets. Now here's Revolt right here, guys. December 2018, Revolt secured a specialized bank license from European Central Bank, also facilitated by the Bank of Lithuania. So it gets really interesting here. So December 2018, Revolt secured a specialized bank license from the European Central Bank. Here is Big BG. Great to see ECB, European Central Bank, come out with a clear POV on crypto assets. Notably that XRP is recognized as one of the most important in terms of usage, market cap, business model, and diversity. What's he talking about is the European Central Bank occasional paper on crypto assets, where they basically recognize this XRP as one of the most important. Now, if you guys recall, this was a big deal when this happened. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed the company's partnership with Bitstamp back in December, making Bitstamp the fourth crypto exchange to support Ripple's XRP-powered Xrapid. 3 other crypto exchanges on board with the payment platform are US-based Bitrue, Mexico-based Bitrue, and Philippine-based CoinsPH. So basically, these are the liquidity providers for Xrapid. Now, if you recall, guys, Bitstamp now trading XRP with 0 fees, and this is from Ripple Insights from January 2017, plans within plans. As part of Ripple's incentive program, Bitstamp will offer XRP trading with 0 fees from January 2017 to February 10th, 2017. Bitstamp, one of the world's leading digital asset exchanges, today announced it will launch trading XRP, the digital asset native to Ripple Consensus Ledger. Now, what's interesting is specifically XRP in Euro and XRP USD trading pairs will be available for trading on Bitstamp. Well, this is where it gets interesting. XRP and Euro pairs. Bitstamp now trading 0 fees. Ripple is also pleased to announce that Bitstamp, the first and only digital asset exchange to be fully licensed in to work with 28 UE member states. Like I said, guys, don't forget European Central Bank gave them a specialized Revolt a specialized banking license, and they partnered up with Bitstamp. The relationship with Bitstamp and the launch of XRP volume incentives underscores our commitment to making XRP the institutional standard bearer for value transfers globally. So we're going to move on a little bit. Now, this is the European Central Bank. If you're not familiar with the European Central Bank, is the central bank for the Euro, with comprises of 19 member states of the European Union. And don't forget, guys, Brad Garlinghouse is part of the European Union now also. So we got a banking license. And like I said, this is Revolt right here. Today, we're incredibly excited to announce that our application for the European banking license has been approved by the European Central Bank. As you can imagine, this is a pretty huge milestone. Guys, this is massive. When the European Central Bank granted a specialized banking license to Revolt, Revolt partners with Bitstamp to add Bitcoin and XRP Ripple support. Revolt, a popular fintech, has announced adding Bitcoin Cash and Ripple to its cryptocurrency feature. The fintech has teamed with Bitstamp to process transactions. Revolt currently charges a 1.5 fee on cryptocurrency. So there we got Revolt and Bitstamp partner. Now this is European banking heaven. Lithuania boasts efforts to improve banking regulation. Revolt gets specialized bank license. So this is a big deal. This is where I've been doing research. Revolt announced that it's aiming to get a specialized bank license in Lithuania. was driven by a favorable environment for foreign companies seeking to launch various financial services in the European economy. Lithuania licensed banks are allowed to offer financial services in a single European Union financial market of 500 million wealthy consumers and 20 million businesses. Meanwhile, in the UK, financial institutions are suffering from Brexit and probably will lose their license passport rights. The idea of a specialized bank was proposed by the Bank of Lithuania, and the relevant laws were drafted, and its purpose was to increase competition in the area of minimum financial services, the development of an environment conducive to competition and innovation in a field of finance is one of our strategic goals. So basically, as of January 2018, there were 117 fintech companies licensed and operating in Lithuania. So basically, guys, backed by the European Central Bank and partnered up with Lithuania, they're pretty much having a fintech sandboxes, and that's actually in here somewhere. Hold on. Recently, Google Payment, a company owned by Alphabet, obtained an e-money license in Lithuania, which will allow the company to issue electronic money, handle electronic money wallets, and perform remittances and payments and transactions. Interesting. The idea of a specialized bank was proposed by the Bank of Lithuania, and relevant laws were drafted. So this is really huge. Now, I found this right here: Lithuania at the forefront of fintech regulation. Members of the board of the Bank of Lithuania and experts from the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank sharing Lithuania's experience in creating a fintech conducive regulatory environment which falls in line with international best practices. Okay, this is the really good one right here. Given rapid advances in financial technology that are transforming the economy, the financial landscape, in October 2018, the IMF and the World Bank put forward the Bali FinTech Agenda. The agenda advances key consideration with regard to fintech and regulation, distilling the 12 elements, including recommendations and stimulating growth of the sector and preventing associated risk. So Lithuania is among the first country in the world to put into practice the IMF and the World Bank guiding principles regarding fintech regulation and ways to maximize its potential. So this is pretty much, they're going to talk about, they created the sandbox. Several years ago, the Bank of Lithuania launched a newcomer program, a one-stop shop for meetings and consultings. The Bank of Lithuania has also introduced Smart e-license tool, which enables potential market entrants to remotely apply for a license in a faster, easier, less expensive manner. In addition, the country's financial sector regulatory gives payment and electronic money institutions full access to its payments system, as well as promotes open banking, which is rapidly expanding a field of fintech industry. Wow. I just wondered. Okay, here it is. To strengthen its international relationships, the Bank of Lithuania has joined the Global Sandbox Initiative and signed fintech cooperation agreements with the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the National Bank of Ukraine. So, guys, here it is right here, the Global Sandbox. The Global Sandbox is where they can test the technology, implement it before laws are drafted. So this is massive. Now, I did find this too, guys. This is the fintech landscape in Lithuania. So as we go down here, what do we find? Presence of fintech companies in Lithuania. We got Earthport here, Google, but what jumped out at me is the success stories. The success stories are Revolt, TransferGo, and Instagram, all Ripple partners. TransferGo on solving real-time cross-border settlement at Swell 2018. Here's TransferGo. Here's Ripple Insights. TransferGo CEO took stage as Swell. We have transformed people's lives, basically talking about how amazing the technology is. Blockchain and TransferGo's partnership with Ripple, he called out benefits such as standardizing with APIs, building faster connections, and real-time messaging shared for responsibility, that risk profile, and customers. So we launched our first X-current transactions everywhere in Europe to India through a partnership with Axis Bank. So Ripple, India runs on Ripple, and it's showing you right here. Also, guys, we got TransferGo. And here is, well, actually this one's Transfer Go, and this one's InstaRem. Here's InstaRem right here. Ripple Insights. Faster, more reliable payments worldwide. Within weeks of joining RippleNet, InstaRem began leveraging Ripple's advanced blockchain technology to process transactions in real time for its customers. So pretty much in Revolt is the one we're covering now. So all the success stories behind this fintech Bali agenda approved by the IMF and the World Bank through European Central Bank granting specialized license to Revolt, which ties all to Ripple. Ripple is what is the success story. InstaRem runs on Ripple. Transfer Go runs on Ripple. Revolt actually runs on Ripple and is a Xrapid liquidity provider. So this is massive, and I just showed you guys that in the beginning of the video. Bitstamp now trading XRP with 0% fees. Ripple is also pleased to announce that Bitstamp, the first only digital asset exchange, to be fully licensed to work with all 28 UE member states. The relationship with Bitstamp and the launch to XRP volume incentives underscore our commitment to making XRP the institutional standard. So, like I said, guys, Bitstamp is a liquidity provider, and they are partnered up with Revolt. EC boss Christine Lagarde made a serious crypto warning. Lagarde has just been nominated to replace Mario as the president of the European Central Bank, warned that cryptocurrencies are shaking the system. And we pretty much, guys, know that Lagarde is very crypto friendly. So this is even more impressive that she just got nominated to the ECB. So this is kind of ironic that the ECB granted Revolt a license, which ties to Bitrue, Xrapid liquidity provider. Interesting scenario there. Also, guys, like I said, Visa has partnered up with Revolt. This is what they put out right here. What does it look like to go global? Visa will enable Revolt's digital banking mobile app to launch in 24 additional markets globally. Visa, 24 new markets. So this is massive, guys. So we know Visa's partnered up with Revolt. Visa's partnered up with Earthport. Visa's partnered up with MoneyGram. Visa's partnered up with all Ripple partners. ECB backs XRP. European Central Bank XRP ecosystem truly runs on Ripple. What do you guys think about this video? This was a hell of a deep dive here, guys. We tied it all together. I truly believe European Central Bank is backing Ripple, is backing Brad Garlinghouse, and they've created specialized banking license to do so. And also all the companies that are success stories are running on Ripple. The CKJ logo will come down right now. Smash that logo to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I release 5-minute Xrapid videos throughout the day. Much love. Hodl.